अगेन फॉर द रेपिटेशन, बोथ एंड बोथ मीन्स इन एडिशन टू। इससे पहले हमने एज वेल एज स्टडी किया था। सो फार हम जितनी एग्जाम्पल स्टडी करें तमाम इंक्लूसिव एक्सप्रेशंस के साथ, वो एग्जाम्पल्स आर सेम। वी आर जस्ट टेलिंग यू हाउ टू प्ले विद दीज वर्ड्स व्हेन डिस्पाइट ऑफ स्टेइंग विद द सेम एग्जाम्पल। Now third example, he writes both correctly and neatly. These two are adverbs and we have a word both and sandwiching them. Now comes Mark excels both in mathematics and in science. These are the prepositional phrase and they are sandwiching between both and the word and. Paul and Cup both plays the piano and composes music. Again, these are the verbs, plays and the composes, and we have the word both and. An important thing to notice is that it's not correct to pair both with the word as well as. It will be completely disaster. You can only pair the word both with the word and. So both को आप as well as के साथ कभी pair नहीं कर सकते. As well as is a completely independent thing. हमने इसकी sentence construction देखी कि आप as well as को हमेशा independently लिखते हैं. Both को आप pair करेंगे with the word and. Not only को आप pair करेंगे with the word but also. So that's how I hope you have got clarity about all these inclusives, which all just mean one thing, which is in addition to. So far we studied about the whole grammar about inclusives, जिसमें हमने different इनकी clauses को construction को study किया. अब इनकी further clarity के लिए हम